Hello, my dear apprentices. This is another wonderful math video. And in this video, you will learn two strategies to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. And you know that mixed number, we're gonna change this right here. The solution is gonna be the mixed number. So I'm gonna write mixed number. All right, let's get to it. Our first strategy is going to be solved through addition. All right. So here's what happens. So you have an equation that is actually a number, an improper fraction that is 17/13, and that equation is it's like, let's say, it's the answer of a problem. So you can break this down into two parts. You're gonna find two numbers that when you add them up, they're gonna equal 17 13s. So here will be another fraction. So remember, both of them should have 13 as the denominator. Here's the other thing that you need to remember. One of these should become a whole, which is a 1, because you're going to turn it into a mixed number. So remember, if you remove 13 from that 17, you will have 13 13s, and that will equal 1. Then our second fraction should be the difference between 13 and 17. So that means you take away this from the 13 from the 17, and the remainder is 4. And now you know that 13 and 4 equals 17. So now you were able to turn this into a mixed number, which is not there yet. So what you're going to do now, you're going to grab these 13 13s, and that's going to be converted into a 1, because when you do that division, 13 divided by 13, it equals 1. Now you have the 4 13s left, which is the remainder. When you place those two numbers together, you have created a mixed number because it has a whole number and it has also a fraction. Okay, and that will be the mixed number. Now let's write this over here in the that's going to be 4/13 as the remainder fraction, and we need to do the 1 here. That's going to be 1 and 4/13. That will be the answer. So again, we converted an improper fraction by using addition, converting an improper fraction through addition into a mixed number. Here we go. Here's now division. This, I don't know if you remember, but now we know that a fraction is a division. So you're going to set up your division. And remember, the numerator always goes inside the half-shaped box. So that will be the 17 divided, and this is the division symbol right here, divided by the number that is the denominator, and we're going to add the number. The number is 13. Okay, and you place it here, and now you're going to make groups of 13s. So one way that I've been teaching you is that you can say, okay, we're going to make multiples of 13. So 1 times 13 will equal 13. Okay, now that would be the answer, because 2 times 13 will equal 26. Now if we use the second one, if we say that there are two groups, that will be incorrect, because we need to have a 26 inside as a dividend, which is not the case. So now we know that we can make only one group out of 17. And now we're going to multiply the quotient, which is the 1, times 13. And the answer is going to be, yes, you guessed that right, 13. So we're going to write 13. And this is going to become our subtraction. And now, why do we do this? We actually do this to demonstrate what is the remainder of fraction, the remainder fraction. So as you do this is 13, take away 13 from 17, and the answer is 4. So now we have our mixed number. Our mixed number is going to be, the answer is 1 whole, which is the quotient here. Okay, that will be 1 whole. And the fraction begins with the remainder. The remainder is 4, which becomes your numerator. And 4 out of what? Well, 4 out of 13. So that 13 would be the denominator. And this, my friends, will be the second strategy to convert a mixed number, an improper fraction, into a mixed number. Watch the video if you need the repetition. If not, it's okay. Go ahead and move on to practicing this wonderful way to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Signing out, Mr. Magno, who wishes you the best. Enjoy the video.